This contact voltage tester has a trick up its sleeve that I have never seen before. This tester is sold by Harbor Freight. It is being carried under their DOYLE brand, and they did send this to me so that I can share it with you guys. Inside the packaging, you're going to find some batteries, the manual, and the device itself. There's a screw-on rubber cap on the end of the tool. This is where the batteries are stored. Overall design seems to be very well thought out. It does have a black rubber grip that makes it easy to hang on to it. Even the twist cap has that black rubber grip on it. The clip is overbuilt, so it's not going to break on you. The tool itself is activated using two buttons, and you can see there's an IR button and there's an NCV button. The NCV button stands for non-contact voltage. That's how you turn that feature on. The IR button is an infrared thermometer button because this tool, believe it or not, does have an infrared thermometer built into it. And as the Sparkies watching this video know, an infrared thermometer is very handy when you're trying to troubleshoot issues. You can use this tool to find hot spots in a box. You could potentially even see faulty breakers because sometimes before a breaker will fail, it gets really, really warm, and this will show you which one of those breakers are doing that. So in theory, everything sounds good. It looks good. It feels good in my hand, but how well does it work? And we're going to find out. To turn the non-contact voltage tester on, you just press the button one time. It'll give you a little beep and it will light up green. When you get the tip near voltage, it's going to turn red and it's going to give you an audible tone. And as you can see, it's flashing red. It's giving us that audible tone, and we know that this is a live circuit. These testers are also great when you're trying to test a wire to see if a wire is hot. I do know that this wire is hot. Let's get our tester near it and see if it tells us so. And yes, it's lighting up red and it's giving us that audible tone. So we know that wire is hot. Now we'll go ahead and turn off the non-contact voltage tester by pressing the button, and we'll turn on the infrared. To turn it on, you hold it down, and now the probe can be used as an infrared thermometer. The way this temperature sensor works is you have to hold the button down for it to do the reading. If you let go of the button, it'll show you the last measured temperature. But if you hold the button down, it is live. So let's go ahead and check the main breaker coming in, and it is showing us that it is about 56.6 degrees. The breaker underneath that is the air conditioner breaker for the workshop, and it hasn't been on, and it's measuring right around 55, 56 degrees. It's a little bit cooler than the main, but I do have a heat pump upstairs, and that is this particular breaker right here. And you can see it's a little bit warmer. It's 60.9 degrees. So we're picking up temperature differences that are within 1 to 2 degrees with this unit, and it's working. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like this tool specifically because it has the infrared thermometer built into the tool. Having that built into the same tool as the non-contact voltage tester, well, it just makes sense. It is being carried under the DOYLE brand at Harbor Freight, and if you're not familiar with the DOYLE brand, in my opinion, this is their better, best tier. I have not found a DOYLE product that I did not really like or really enjoy. And I think one of my favorite things about the tool is it's not that expensive. It only costs $25 right now at the time of this video. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.